My name is Ailsa Mackay and I am artist tutor here at Shambellie House. This weekend we have been running our Vibrant Still Life weekend workshop. It's based on the Scottish Colourists and it is looking at the work of F.C.B. Bunty Cadell. He was a regular visitor to Shambellie House, has a great deal of connection with it, and this workshop is all about looking at the wonderful, colourful and vibrant still life paintings that made him so famous as one of the, I suppose, the most elegant of the Scottish colourists.
Oh, she's amazing. She's one of the best tutors I've ever worked with, to be honest. So much preparation that's been done and the way the still lives have been set up, the choice that we had, it's just stunning.
It's been really good. I mean, Ailsa's such a good teacher and, you know, it's such a nice place to, sort of fantastic venue as well. And we've been doing still life, which is in the style of Cadell, who, you know, was very strong associations with the family that lived here.
Thinking about the colours, colour mixing and the composition, all based on Cadell's work, really. He's inspiring to work from his work because he's got so many different styles and so many talents.
It's certainly escapist. I'm not sure about relaxing because I do get quite sort of angst about the work, but then I surprise myself because sometimes, you know, well, quite a lot, you know, the pictures actually turn out really quite acceptable.
You need absolutely no qualifications to come along. You can be an experienced artist, you can be an interested individual who has never tried painting before, or you can be somebody who is a hobbyist.
I've always said in life, anyone can paint, and it's only a question of trying. We've all got different styles, and I think that's what's been shown in the class and the results today. That everybody's done their own style, which is what's lovely. We're not doing prescriptive painting.
It's a really very friendly atmosphere, and, you know, over lunch and coffee as well.
It's a 2-day workshop. Yes, it runs from 10 a.m. in the morning to 4 p.m. We have a superb lunch in the middle, which is organic and made locally, and we stop for a cup of tea in the afternoon.
I would definitely recommend the courses. There really isn't any reason to be nervous because she does really put you at ease.
You don't need to bring anything along with you. Everything is provided in the cost of the day, and as you can see, everyone goes away with a number of different pieces of work that they have made throughout the course of the weekend. We have 5 different workshops. This month we have the Still Lives. In April we have the Lady in Black. So we'll be looking at Cadell's style for painting the figure, especially his most famous paintings, using the Lady in Black with her beautiful black hat. So we'll be doing that one. We have painting with painting Shambellie Woods, which is about Cadell's landscape style. We have an interiors one. He was very famous for his striking and bold interiors, and we'll be looking at his seascapes, which we'll be working with watercolour and as well as other medium too.